Hi, Freddy. Ayan, welcome back to my channel and this is Freddy. Ayan, so guys, gusto ko lang i-share ngayon sa inyo yung experience ko kung paano ko naipasa yung Learner'S permit. Yay! So, ang ginawa kong preparations, yes, preparations talaga. Alam naman natin kapag may mga exams kailangan natin magbasa-basa. So, ang ginawa ko, pinasa ko yung manual ng Florida Manual Drivers. Ayun, isisend ko na lang, paano ba, yung link, ganyan. Yung driver's handbook. So, yun, binasa ko yun ng twice. And then, after kong binasa yun, from Eva's experience, ang ginawa niya, siya naman, yung experience niya is, nag-ano lang siya, yung sa pre-test. So, dun yung pinaka-practice test na niya. Yun ang ginawa niya. So, after kong binasa yung handbook, nag-try ako nung sa mga pre-test sa online. And then, so after nun, nag-take ako ng yung tinatawag na traffic law and, may kodigo. Traffic Law and Substance Abuse Education, so yung tinatawag na TELSA course. So, ginawa ko yun nung Saturday. Sabi nila 4 hours, pero actually, umabot ng 5 hours din. Mga 5 hours din siya. So, may, after yung course na yun is 5 hours. And then, may in between dun sa course, mayroong practice test. Then sa end ng course, yung meron na yung final exam na 40 items kailangan mo ma-answeran siya in 1 hour din ata, in 60 minutes. So, yun. Ang payment nun is $19. So, after nun, ayun, kapag nakapasa na, since accredited siya ng DMV, automatic na po yun na ma-forward sa system. Since system generated sa system ng DMV, so automatic na yun. So, hindi mo na kailangan i-print. And then, so after ng TELSA course, TLSAE course, kahapon naman pumunta kami ng Pasco County para dun sa permit. So ang process naman dun is pumunta kami, kumuha ng number, tinawag kami mga after 30 minutes, and then sinet yung computer. So merong 50 items, time pressure siya, 50 items, kailangan makasagot ka ng 40 points. So, at first, syempre, kinakabahan ako. So, meron na akong nagkamali ako ng 5 points na yon, mali na. So, ang ginawa ko, natataranta na ako, feeling ko, hindi ko may papasa. Ang ginawa ko is, yung hindi ako sure na mga question, ang ginawa ko, ini-skip ko yon. So, forward lang. So, yun nga, hindi ko na namalayan, natapos na pala lahat yun. Ayun, makikita mo na lang dun sa screen, passed, sabi niya ganyan. So, siguro, yun, tama din siguro, sabi nga ni Eva, yung mga ini-skip mo, parang ni-rephrase lang nila yung sentence para makuha mo yung tamang sagot. So, ayun, tips din, pag nag-exam kayo, pag hindi kayo sigurado dun sa question, i-leave nyo muna, skip lang, forward lang kayo. So, malaki tulong yon. So, ang nangyari, ayun, nakapasa, 5 lang yung mali. So, yun na yun. Ang pinaka-tips lang talaga is, bago kayo mag-take nung course or sa permit, ayan, magbasahin nyo yung handbook and then mag-practice test. Maraming mga online or website na merong mga practice test. Sobrang malaking tulong yon. So, ayun lang. Yung payment naman, yung fee naman para sa permit, dito sa Florida, dito ako sa Tampa, is $55. So, makukuha siya agad-agad. So, after nun, natapos ko yung exam pala ng wala pang 30 minutes. So, kasi ang nangyari kapag yung sa question, kung alam ko yung yung sure na ako, diretso na ako dun sa pinakasagot, hindi ko na binasa lahat ng mga options ng yung choices. So, siguro kaya mabilis din ako natapos. So, skip nyo lang pag hindi talaga kayo sure dun sa tapos balikan ko na lang yung mga questions. So, kasi parang ang nangyari, hindi na siya babalik eh. Parang siguro dahil pag naka 40 points ka na, parang ganun ata yun eh. Basta naka 40 points ka, kung nag-skip ka man or hindi, basta na naka 40 points ka, pasado na eh. Parang ganun na nangyari. So, yun lang. Nakapasa. So, yun na yun. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa panonood.
Make a right up here. Okay, you're in the middle of the road. No signal.
Late signal.
Straight. Okay.
So after you signal, it will automatic go back to the
Yes, after you
light.
make
So
your
I
turn,
don't need to
turn it off.
Okay. Where are we going?
You're gonna follow the road. The road goes to the right. Somebody's gonna end up calling the cops.
Why?
This car is circling the neighborhood over and over and over.
Oh no. Okay, this is our last turn.
It is okay. Oh, I don't care. If the cops come, I'll tell them. She's learning how to drive.
This is good, like if we have this enough space, this like this size. Diba?
Oh, you're doing good.
I mean on the other road is smaller.
Yeah, 20th.
Okay. Where are we going?
Where do you want to go? You want to turn right? You want to go straight?
Okay, right.
Okay.
Okay, we can anyway. Is that right? Like
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Turn the signal a little bit earlier, but.
Okay, stopped again. Slow down, Melissa. And then stop. Okay, stop, Melissa. Stop. You can fix it. Where do you want to go?
Go straight.
Left or right? Huh?
Straight.
Okay. Straight.
Very good landing position.
Yeah.
Very good. Straighten up. But you did that turn very well.
road. This is smaller than from the other road.
From the main road, yeah.
Oh, is that the main road?
That's the main road in and out of the subdivision.
Okay, that is why. Early.
Now you're in the middle.
Where is he going? Oh, sorry. Oh, we have one
What?
at the back.
Okay, we'll go.
Okay, where are we going?
Yeah, I mean, you gotta pull all the way to the stop sign before you stop.
We're going
Mhm.
to go in here because there is a car behind us.
Oh my goodness. Straighten it back up.
Move your butt. Okay, we're done. I'm good.
You're done?
Uh-oh.
You just want a break? We'll go to another neighborhood that's a little bit bigger.